Okay, students. Next, I am going to discuss in this second chapter, and the next content is hyperlinks. Okay, the creation of hyperlinks in HTML. So we know that what is an HTML hyperlink, or we know that what is hyperlink, or simply what is a link. Here you can see in this google.com we have a Gmail here, image is here, and several other links are there. So this is you know Gmail, this is a link. Okay, so when clicking this link, okay, when mouse over on that one, the pointer will be as like this. Okay, point like that. Okay, it is pointing. When clicking this Gmail, it will go to the Gmail web page. So what is the purpose of link or hyperlink? Hyperlink is a text, but when we click on that text, it will move to another page. Okay, here we are creating some web pages, website creation. So from one web page to another web page. Okay, if we want to move from one web page to another web page, that time we can use what? Some links. So such a text things are called hyperlinks. Okay, so I'm just closing this one. I will show you. Here I have created one website. Okay, one website, a simple website that is for as an example for you. Okay, so here you see this is Tata Cars. Okay, this website Tata Motors. Okay, I have created this one for example for you. So you see Tata Motors. In this one, Tata Cars, different types of Tata cars are there. Here I have created here 4 type of cars: Tiago, Tata Tiago, Tata Altroz, Nexon, and Harrier. Okay, so here you see when hovering the mouse here, it is like a link, because this is a list. You know, this is a list. Here 4 items are there. Each and every items are the links. When clicking this Tiago, then it will go to the Tiago car web page. Okay, then next you see when clicking this Altroz, it will go to the Altroz web page. This page also I have created. Okay, Nexon, then Nexon page is appeared here, that I already have created. Then when clicking the Harrier web page will be displayed here. Okay, so what are the content in this one? One image is there, then a list, each list items, one heading is there, then a list is there. In this, each items are displayed here as a link. When clicking on this one, it will display another web page. Then when clicking this Tiago, you can see here one heading is there, its title is Tiago, Tata Tiago. Then title here one heading is there, Tiago. Then here you can see one what picture, that is Tiago photo. Then variants, it's a second level heading H2. Then petrol diesel variants, this is also a unannounced list. Okay, as like other web pages also can be seen when clicking on that one. So that is an example. So here I am discussing how to create such a website, or how to create such a link. Okay, this type of link. So before that, whatever things we need, here you can see in this home page is the first page in a website. This is home page. This home page consists of one image, and in Tiago also one image is there, and in Altroz, then Nexon, okay, Nexon, then Harrier also have some images. So we need 5 images, so that we have to download, or we have to put in an active directory. So you can see here car web. Okay, car web. What is car web? Car web is one of the folder in the desktop. Okay, you can see in desktop one folder is there, HTML program. In this one you can see car web. Okay, in car web, this is the folder. In this folder we have all the stuffs regarding the website, Tata Motors website. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this website. So here you can see we have Tata home picture in the home page. Then you can see Tiago PNG file, then Altros, Harrier, Nexon, etc. And we have different web pages like Tiago web page, Tiago web.html, then Altros web.html, then Harrier web.html, Nexon web.html. These all are I have created once. Then the main web page, that is Tata home.html, that is this page. From this page we are moving to different pages like Tiago, Altros, Nexon and Harrier. So from this web page we are moving to here, and Nexon, then Harrier, like that. So how it is possible? So before that, here we are using many some images in different web pages. So we have this type of images, so we have to download that one, and or we have to keep in this active directory, that is car web. Okay, then we have to create first web page tiago.web.html, then Altros, Nexon, Harrier, like that. After that we are creating we have to create the home page. Okay, so I will show you the Tiago web page. Okay, in that one what is the program. Okay, for that purpose I am just opening the main web page. Here we already have created, already have opened here. Then I am just opening Tiago web page. Okay, here you can see Tiago web.html. I am opening the same. Here you can see the page, the program for creating the Tiago web page. I show you, which is that this one, Tiago web page. Yeah, which is the program, this one. Here you can see HTML head Tata Tiago is the title. Tata Tiago is the title. So here you can see Tata Tiago is the title. Then body H1 Tiago, first level heading Tiago, that is this one. Then img is a tag that is used to embed some images or pictures in the images in the web page. So img src tiago.png, which is that this one. Okay, you can see image, yeah, tiago.png. this is a png file. So img src is equal to tiago.png, then close this one. Then it will display what, this Tiago image here. Then h2, okay, just a minute. Here h2 variants, different types of variants, that will be the second level heading. First level is Tiago, second level heading variants here. Then different types of variants, it is a petrol, diesel, 2 item, that is a unordered list I have created here. Petrol, li diesel. This is the web page of the Tata Tiago that I already have created. Okay, then I will show you the next page. Opening the next page, that is Nexon, Altros, Tata Altros web.html. I am opening the same. Okay, this is Altros JPG is the picture. Okay, opening that one. Then you see, opening that file. Okay, now you can see the Altros web page. Okay, Tata, here you see HTML title Tata Altros. Where is that? You can see this one, Altros. Yeah, Altros. Okay, Tata Altros, this is the title, Tata Altros. Then h1 Altros is here. Then img src altros.jpg, which is that image file that you can see in the HTML web pages. Yeah, desktop, yeah, car web, where you can see altros.jpg. That is this one, img src is equal to altros.jpg. Then h2 variants, then petrol, diesel, that you can see here, that's a unordered list. This is the second web page. Then which is the third web page I will open here. Yeah, third web page is nexon.html. Then which is that, this one, Nexon. In this one a large image is the Nexon image, then below variants are also there. Then you can see here what is the web page. Yeah, this is the web page, Nexon web.html. I will show you. Okay, here the title is Tata Nexon, that you can see here, title Tata Nexon. Then head h1 heading, that is Nexon, that is also can be seen here. Then image src nexon.jpg, this is the image that you can see in the car web. We already have downloaded to here or pasted the same nexon.jpg, that is this one. Image will be displayed on the screen. Yeah. Then variants, that is h2, here you can see variants. Then list petrol diesel here, as like in the previous examples. Then I will show you the next web page is Harrier, Tata Harrier web.html. This is the program. Yeah, here you can see Tata Harrier. I will show you here in the web page. When clicking this Harrier web page, you can see here. Yeah, Harrier. Yes, in the program Tata Harrier, that is the title. Then Harrier h1, this is. Then src harrier.jpg, this is the image that you can see here. We have already placed here harrier.jpg, so that we are giving harrier.jpg is the source. Then h2 variants, that you can see here, variants. Then petrol diesel like items, that is the list items, unordered list here. Okay, so first of all we have to create this much web pages, which and all here you can see. Yeah, tiago.html, altros.html, then Nexon, that is Tiago web.html I have given, altros web.html, Nexon web.html, then Harrier web.html, as like we have to create. And after completing all these works, that is whatever pages we need, that we have to create first, and next we have to create the home page, which is the home page. This is the home page. Okay, Tata cars different types. So how to create this web page, that program I will show you here. Yeah, Tata home, this one. This is the main web page. It is the home page. It is the default page or home page of this website. So you can see here what are the contents. Here I told you that these all things are list items. Okay, unordered list item, and also each item is a link. Okay, so how to create that one? You can see the program. What's the title? Tata Motors, Tata home, this is the page. Tata Motors, here you can see Tata Motors. Then body bg color is equal to pink, that is what, this one. What is that? This is the body bg color, pink. Then center the image, img src Tata home, which is that is this web page. This is the main web page. Okay, Tata home.jpg, that is this picture. Okay, this picture. Then you can see what is center img src is equal to Tata home.jpg. Then center, that is this image to be displayed on the screen, it should be center alignment. Okay, it should be center alignment. So we can embed this img src is equal to Tata, this content, this tag within the center opening and center close, then it will be center aligned. Okay, aligned as center. Then h1 Tata cars, that you can see here, this is the first level heading. Then we set the font size is equal to 5, that is the font size of this list item, to 5. If you want to change that, we can also change. Then ul unordered list opening, unordered list close. What is the unordered list? This one. These are the list: Tata, Tiago Altros, Nexon, Harrier. So you can see li, the first li here, li. Each item, first li item Tiago, second li item Altros, that is this is li Tiago, then li Altros, then li Nexon, then li Harrier. These are the list items. And also we discussed the same thing. These four things are links. All each individuals are links. So how to do the hyperlink? Hyperlink can be done by using a tag. Okay, by using a tag. I will show you. Okay, a tag means anchor tag. Okay, hyperlink tag is used in the HTML, that is tag a. Okay, hyperlink, it is simply called a tag. I'll show you. Okay, how to create an hyperlink in HTML by using, okay, that is used to link to other web page using this a opening and a closing, a tag. In this one we are using an attribute href. Okay, we are using some attribute href. Okay, href is an important attribute and name is also there, but we are not discussing this one here. A tag opening and closing, in that one we can use an attribute, that is href, to which web page. For example, a href referring to a href Tiago web.html, then Tiago a, that means Tiago is the link text is Tiago. When clicking this Tiago, it will go to the reference page, that is tiago.web.html, Tiago web.html. So a tag is used for, a is an hyperlink tag that is used to create some hyperlink. Okay, so one hyperlink, so a href Tiago web.html, when clicking this Tiago, then it is closed. Okay, that's so here you can see li item, first item is Tiago, then here a href, you see a href Tiago web.html, so it should be go to tiago.web.html, that page. It should go to this page when clicking this Tiago. What is this Tiago? This is an hyperlink. This is also list item in the unordered list. As like the second list item, that is alt rows, it's a link, so it should be given under the ahref alt rows web.html. So when clicking this alt rows, it will go to the alt rows web page. Okay, when clicking this alt rows, yeah, when clicking this one, it will go to the alt rows web.html. Okay, that is when clicking this alt rows, that means when clicking this alt rows, it will go to the alt rows web.html. Yeah, here alt rows web.html. How is it possible? Yeah, a href is equal to alt rows web.html. When clicking this is the link, alt rows. Yeah, here this is the link. Okay, then when clicking Nexon, yeah, Nexon, when clicking this Nexon, it will go to a href. It is specifying a anchor tag href is equal to reference to Nexon web.html. So when clicking this Nexon over here, when clicking this one, it will go to the Nexon web page. Yeah, Nexon web.html, that you can see this one, Nexon web.html. This is the web page. Yeah, as like Harrier, when clicking this Harrier, yeah, when clicking this Harrier, this is a list item and also this is an anchor tag, this is an hyperlink. When clicking this Harrier, you can see when clicking here, it will go to Harrier web.html. When clicking this one, you can see it is opened. What is that? Harrier web.html, that is the page. Here you can see Harrier web.html. When clicking this Harrier, or when clicking this Harrier, it will go to there. So how to create a hyperlink? By using a tag. Okay, by using a tag. For example, yeah, here you can see a href Tiago web.html, as like in this one you can see Tiago web.html. When clicking this one, alt rows, this one, Nexon, Harrier, this one. Okay, so that's all about the creation of hyperlink. Okay, this is the web page. This is the home page. In this website, we have another 4 web pages. When clicking each and every list item, it will display such a pages. First page, second page, next and third page, here the fourth page. Okay, then including this one, 5 pages are there that you can see in the desktop HTML programs car web. And we have many images, and all images and our program can be seen in this one. So that's all about hyperlink. Thank you.